Where's your friend, Mara? What is the name? Huh? Asa na Sil? Uy! There! Uy! Ayun ang Sil! All there! They're all sleeping. They're all sleeping like so. They're sunbathing. Mara, look at this! Yan, gumagalaw siya. Uy! Uy! That's good! 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 First settlement here in California. The first town. There. Now this is the Estudillo house. Look at that cactus. This is the San Diego Courthouse and City Hall. Free, let's enter. Entrance to the Estudillo. Look, Candy! There's the candy! Come on, see how they make the candies. Come on, come on, come on. Let's look at how they make the candies. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's how they make the candy. Lollipop. Oh, lollipop. Masa de Aguirre. Mara. Curio shop. Come on, Mara. 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 We don't have any money to pay if you we don't have any money to pay. Wow. Let's go back to the parking lot. This is the Catholic Church of the Immaculate Conception. Old Town Trolley. Yan. We will take the Old Town Trolley. Let's go back to the parking lot. This is a Victorian hotel built in 1887 and one of America's largest wooden buildings. That's the beach, Mara. Look at the beach. Sand, huh? Nice sand, Mara. Nice sand. It's already 12. Lie down. Lie down. Very good. Sunbathing. Mara. Mara. Hello, Mara. Yan, yan, yan. We are here at San Diego Zoo. It's Thursday. Look at those two elephants. History Museum. Another beautiful structure here in Balboa Park. And Mara, beautiful fountain, Mara. Yes. There, beautiful fountain. Hospitality, now the Prado restaurant. This is the Museum of Mind. Dito ang apartment ni Auntie Nelly. Yan ang kanyang kitchen. Ayan ang kanyang kitchen.